Hello and welcome back to A Million Bucks Style. Today's video is slightly different. I'm sharing my nighttime routine as far as my skincare is concerned. I am someone who's a sucker when it comes to taking care of my skin in the evening especially, and that means I use a lot of products and I spend a lot of time taking care of my skin. Now, don't be surprised, I have an entire tray full of products. Some are affordable, some are not affordable. Some are even dermatologist prescribed. I have a dermatologist and I swear by her. If you guys are in Gurgaon or Delhi NCR region, I'm going to share her details down below. And I absolutely love such talkative videos where I'm genuinely just sharing everything I know about skincare or have tried and tested these products on myself so that you can make the right decision and pick products that you think you require in your routine and add them as you will. So I'm using my front camera for this video so that I can look at myself while I'm doing my skincare. So apologies if I'm not looking into the camera but looking at myself. You know what I mean? Anyways, let's get started, starting with double cleansing. No skincare routine can begin without a clean base. And a clean base means that you have zero makeup on your skin. I am going to look a little scary to you guys after I've removed my makeup, so pardon me. But that's the reality that we're living in. When you're creating content, you're of course looking the prettiest, and I apply a lot of makeup. You guys have seen my makeup routine. It's rather simple, but for me it still is a lot of makeup because this is something that I do every single day, every time I'm shooting. But having said that, long story short, let's make sure that we've cleaned our skin perfectly. Now, because I apply makeup every single day, I try to use products that are a little more sustainable, don't require a lot of cotton pads or makeup wipes. Having said that, this particular one is going to have a makeup wipe because I'm not in my washroom. I'm literally sitting on my bed right here and sharing this video with you guys. I use two products. One is a little affordable and one is a little expensive. So to remove my makeup, I use a cleansing oil. This one is from Kiehl's. It's a beautiful thin oil, very good consistency when it comes to removing your makeup. All you have to do is put 2 pumps on your palms, rub it on your palms and just remove your makeup and wipe it with a towel, or in my case I use Burt's Bees cleansing refreshing facial towelettes with cucumber and mint from Burt's Bee. It also comes in very handy when I travel. I only carry these. I also have an alternative because this is something that costs quite a bit, especially if you're purchasing it in India. Burt's Bee does not have a store in India, so you may have to import it. When I'm traveling, I buy it, or if someone is coming from the US, I just send it to them. The other ones that I've tried and I've really liked them is the Pro Skin Makeup Remover. This is what it is. It's rather cheap. It's not very expensive. I think I bought it, yeah guys, I bought it for 170 rupees. It is actually quite good, and again, cucumber is something which I feel refreshing for your skin, so I quite like it. Now, the product that I wanted to talk to you guys about is this one. So this is the Dot & Key Cleansing Balm. I have used it only a couple of times, haven't used it much. Smells really good. I'm just going to take a little bit of it on my nails like this. There's something so satisfying about it. Yeah. And we are basically going to remove our makeup. It turns into oil. Okay, moment of truth. Usually I just end up washing my face, but because I'm sharing it on the camera, I'm just doing it like this. So the makeup is off. Now what you need to do after you have used the cleansing balm is you're going to wash your face. So to wash my face, I don't have a dupe for it. It is the only one that I have tried and I love it. I've been using it for a very long time. I use the Kiehl's Calendula Deep Cleansing Face Wash. I have had it in my routine for the past 5 years now, and I'm going to quickly wash my face and see you in a second. Okay, face has been washed. This is what my skin looks like without any makeup on. Now for toner, what I use and have been using for years now is the Facial Tonic Mist by Forest Essentials. and all I do is just spray it on my face. Oh, it's the best feeling in the world. I take my time and I let it just sit on my face and get into my pores and just like soak in. Love it. I will try and find a dupe for it. I've heard very good things about the plum toner. I haven't used it myself, but if you have used it and you've liked it, do share it in the comment section below. I'd love to know if there are any other affordable facial mists that act like a perfect toner. As you can tell, we have a lot of these acne scars, so I'm using something specifically for this. My dermatologist has been suggesting me the Facelin tube. It's basically clindamycin and nicotinamide gel, and it helps the outburst of these skin tags as well as acne, and I use it regularly while my face is still slightly wet with the toner. Okay, beautiful, feels really good. And this is how I just go all over my face and my neck. After I use the Facelin tube, I also go over it with this magical potion, which is basically your to remove all of these acne scars. So I've been using the Dot & Key Ultimate Spotless Glow Face Serum. I basically shuffle between two of their serums. One is a cactus. It has salicylic and zinc in it. It's basically skin clearing serum, and I shuffle between the two. One has licorice and oatmeal, and the other one has heart leaf and witch hazel. I was gifted these and I have been using it for the past week or so. So far, quite nice. It also has alpha arbutin, salicylic, so whenever I'm breaking out, I like to go with the Cica and Cactus one. It helps control the production of sebum. Either I go over it directly or I apply it on my palms. I don't like to waste product by taking it on my palms, so yeah, and go over it. Avoiding the eye area, under eye area, because it's very gentle and rather thin. You don't want to mess it up, and we'll let this one settle in. Also do, as far as my skincare is concerned, I use the ordinary AHA BHA peel, which is this one. Yeah, so this is the AHA BHA peel. It's this Dracula peel. Is basically deep burgundy in color, so it's supposed to remove all the dead skin from your face. So I only use it once a week. All you have to do is leave it on for only 10 minutes all over your face, and it helps in scar removal. It helps in rejuvenating your skin with new skin underneath. It is a very strong formula, so you need to patch test it before you can start using it yourself. Yep, that's what it is. I will of course leave the links in the description box below for you guys to check it out. By now my salicylic serum has dried out. My skin is already feeling tight, so we need to moisturize it. I use a bunch of things on my face. Now, sometimes I use vitamin C. This is basically a very powerful strength line reducing concentrate. It has 12.5 vitamin C and hyaluronic acid from Kiehl's. Kiehl's is my go-to brand when it comes to skincare, guys. I've been using Kiehl's for such a long time that my skin has gotten very used to it. So now I've started using new products. So after I have applied the salicylic serum, I'm going to go over it with the niacinamide serum. It helps correct dark spots, acne scars, uneven skin tone, clogged pores, excess oil, inflamed skin. So it's very soothing. And a drop here, a drop here. Listen, I'm no skincare expert, so if I'm making mistakes, you can always let me know in the comment section below. All I know is that my skin is not sensitive. I can try a lot of products and touch wood, not much has happened to my skin. Only lately have I felt that my under eye has become rather sensitive because I've been using a lot of makeup. But besides that, we're in a good space. Anyways, okay. Before we move on, can we just apply a little bit of lip balm? I have been shuffling between my Laneige sleeping mask and, okay, a little expensive, the Burt's Bee lip balm. So I'm gonna go with the Burt's Bee right now. Give these lips a little bit of moisture. Okay, so with that done, so once a week I also use a cleansing mask on my face. This one is from Dot & Key. It's basically your clay mask. They basically take all the dirt out of your face. Really comes in handy. I have been using it. All you need is a brush and you apply it and you become a green monster. It's very, very soothing. I love it. And I then apply a sheet mask and relax. I rushed into my kitchen to find the Dot & Key eye patches that I use. What it is. I'm 100% sure everything is coming the opposite way because I'm using the front camera. Now, while I'm doing my skincare and I don't want anything on my under eye, it comes with this little spoon. You just basically remove it and it has a serum infused, as you can tell, eye patches. I saw a lot of these celebrities do this and apply it while their makeup was happening, and I thought maybe let's give it a try. This product I bought myself. A couple of them are PR products that I received, but this one I picked up myself. So all you do is basically take it with clean hands and apply it on your under eye. While we have these on, and we'll let them on for 10 minutes. I also want to talk to you guys about how I got rid of those massive pimples. It didn't happen overnight. It happened over a period of maybe 5 days. But I saw a piece of content on YouTube and I got influenced and I tried it myself. This is the Acne Squad Pimple Buster. So Breakout Terminator is what they call it. It's a spot corrector with salicylic acid, and it helps in getting rid of any acne basically building up. And I have been getting quite a few because after Diwali, my god, I really didn't take care of myself. I was eating anything and everything and going out every single night, and that just got to me. But anyways, we've applied serums, but we haven't applied a cream yet. Before we apply any creams, I'm going to talk about the Dot & Key Pomegranate Miracle Collagen Boost Retinol Youth Serum. So I use this after I have done my salicylic acid and niacinamide, and it's almost like milk. It's this milk consistency, and I apply it on my face. Right now, because I have an eye mask on, I'm using my palms to apply it, but otherwise I don't. I apply it directly just like I apply the rest of the serums. I usually just close my eyes. It's my time to just relax when I have these eye patches on, but because I'm doing this video, of course I'm looking into the camera. After the retinol serum, I go over it with a light gel moisturizer. I don't have a dupe for it yet. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil-Free Gel Cream. It's a very light cream and I love using a little bit of it before I actually apply any cream on my face. I think it's time. 10 minutes ho gaye hain. We're gonna take these off. It feels so good. Amazing. I'm just gonna let this be. I'm going to talk about one which has been prescribed by my dermatologist. It's basically a very dense moisturizing cream for your face. It's called the Glymax Intensive Skin Hydrator Cream. This is what it looks like. Don't need a prescription for it. It's actually a very good product to try. Besides that, I also use something else. I have been shuffling between my Forest Essentials Saundarya. This is one cream that I've been using. And I also have another one. This is, I have tested out. This is their 24 karat gold Saundarya night cream. It's a transformative night cream. So I love them both. One is a tiny bottle and one is the big bottle. Both of them are absolutely luxurious. Feels so good when you apply them on your face. So today we're going to go with the Saundarya cream. A little bit of it goes a long way, and I like applying it like this. It's so good. It smells of chandan actually. It's amazing. So both these creams are a little expensive, so if this is something that is out of your budget, you can try the Minimalist Marula Oil Cream. That's also something which is very good. It is fragrance free. It is deep intensive moisturizer. If your skin is dry or you have an oily T-zone, which is what my skin is like, definitely give that a shot. Now I also use an eye cream at night. I have been using the Kiehl's eye cream. This is basically what it looks like. It's this tiny little bottle. It's the Kiehl's eye cream which has avocado in it. So there are days when I use this, a little bit of it. It has a very thin consistency, and you just have to mix it and apply it on your under eye. And after rubbing it for like 2 seconds, it just becomes this really thick moisturizer for your under eye. It's one of the best eye creams I have ever tried. If you guys are looking for a deep moisturizing eye cream, it's expensive. It's definitely something that is more than 2000 rupees for this little tiny bottle. But if you are looking for a good eye cream, you should definitely give this a shot. The other one that I've heard good things about is the Mom & Co. under eye cream. All you do is, and I like the fact that it comes with this little applicator, and you take a little bit and create this Mickey Mouse sort of an effect, and you apply it. While I've already applied it, I'm just going to go over it again. Very deep restorative sort of a skincare routine is what I have, and I like it. I like giving my skin a little bit of love and care, because this is the face that is always in front of the camera, so why not? If you guys want to know what nail paint I have on, I'm using the W nail paint. This one is called Vantage. This is what it looks like. I knew I'm going to get questions, so I pulled it out already. During winters, I like to wear cool tone nail paints, so a lot of navies and maroons and grays and silver. So yeah, I have tried all of their metallic nail paints and I absolutely love them. I will link everything in the description box below so that you guys can also access it. And with that comes the end of my skincare routine. That was it, guys. Sorry, this was very unscripted and lengthy and literally blabbering about my skincare while I was just pampering my skin. If you guys have any questions or queries, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like this kind of video, let me know. I would love to create such videos because it's one of the easiest videos to create. And these are just things that I usually wear and apply on my face. Now I am ready to go to bed. I will see you guys again very soon. Until then, keep it stylish and always look and feel like $1,000,000.